show you some tricks on how to get music rhythm right, especially the complicated ones, easily. When you're listening to a piece of music, pulse gives you the feeling that makes you want to clap or tap your foot. So in rhythm, it all comes down to the beat. Very often, the beat is subdivided from the crotchet. Think of it as building up different rhythm from this fundamental unit.
Let's begin with clapping your foot or clapping your hands along with the beat. Make sure you are always feeling the beat in your body, and we are going to vocalize the rhythm. Starting with the crotchet beat itself, try to memorize the feeling of each rhythmic figure. You can keep tapping your foot or clapping your hands while vocalizing the on each beat. Now you try. Easy, right? Now let's subdivide the crotchet beat into two equal parts. We call this quavers. Now your turn, vocalizing quavers while also clapping or tapping the crotchet beats. Ready? Go! Make sure you didn't change the crotchet beat to match with what you are vocalizing. The clapping or tapping must always be even and steady. From quavers, they can be subdivided into semiquavers, which the beat is now divided into 4 even pieces. Now, your turn. If you find yourself having trouble staying locked in the beat, this is common at first, but don't worry. With practice, this will get better in time. Try to keep your beat steady and think of evenly spacing 4 semiquavers across the beat. Next, we can mix and match the quavers and semiquavers into one beat in different ways. Quavers with 2 semiquavers. Your turn. Or 2 semiquavers and quavers. You try. And semiquaver, quaver, and semiquaver. Now you give it a go. Nice! Now let's do some dotted quaver figures. Quaver takes up half of the beat, and when you add a dot, you fill up another quarter to the beat. To make a one-beat figure, we add another semiquaver. And your turn. And of course, you can turn this around into semiquaver followed by a dotted quaver. You try. One beat not only can be subdivided into 2s or 4s, it can also be subdivided into 3s. We call this triplets. Spreading out 3 notes evenly within one beat. Ready? Go! Great! And you just did the 9 most common one-beat rhythmic figures. Let's mix things up. Recall how each of these sounded. 1, 2, ready, go! Check it. Okay, let's do another one. 1, 2, ready, go! Now, let's double check, and they sound like this. Nice! Let's do one more. But this will be a little longer. 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's double check.
Now that you have known all these rhythmic figures, to make it more challenging, you can add a melody line or to play them on your instrument. That's it for today. I hope you find this useful. If you have any question, ask me in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can catch my latest video. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.